What's up guys, Shahbaz here. So the new upcoming Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra model, Samsung's most anticipated smartphone won the heart. 200 megapixel with 120 watt fast battery charging will make you see the moon. We are talking about Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra model. Recently, Samsung has already launched another cool smartphone. As you know that Samsung's Galaxy S23 Ultra smartphone is already launched in the smartphone market. Along with that, information is coming out that you can see the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra smartphone in the smartphone market early next year. According to the leaked information, some pictures and information about some features are coming out. We are going to tell you here what features you can get to see in this smartphone. Let's talk about Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra smartphone features. If we talk about the features of this smartphone, first of all you will get to see the 6.9 inches dynamic AMOLED 2X display. While talking about the resolution of this smartphone, you will get to see 1560 by 3120 pixels resolution. And let us tell you that the display will get to see a 120 Hz refresh rate. If we talk about the operating system of the mobile phone, you can get to see the latest operating system, Android 14 in it, with One UI 6 user interface. And if we talk about the processor of this smartphone, then inside you will get to see the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset with most advanced and powerful GPU. Talking about the internal storage of this smartphone, you will get 12GB and 16GB of RAM and 256, 512GB, 1TB of internal flash memory in this smartphone. According to rumors, internal storage can be increased via a micro SD card. Let's talk about Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra smartphone camera quality. If we talk about the camera quality of this smartphone, then it is told you will get to see the setup of 4 cameras, 200 megapixel plus 50 megapixel plus 25 megapixel plus 16 megapixel sensors at the back of this smartphone. Apart from this, if we talk about the selfie camera of this smartphone, then you will get to see an improved 50 megapixel selfie camera in it. Now let's talk about Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra battery backup. If we talk about the battery backup of the mobile phone, then it is estimated that you will get 6500 mAh non-removable battery in the smartphone. The battery will be seen which support 120 watt fast battery charging, while the Type-C charging socket will be included for charging. It is expected that the new Galaxy S24 line will officially launch in early 2024 with an even more improved camera system. Also, the prices will be increased. That's it for now. For more updates, please subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. Until the next video, take care of yourself very well. Peace out.